You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have another Cricut mystery box. And crazy enough, we have another new Cricut cutie, which I know that's crazy because the last two boxes each were new Cricut cuties, and we have another one. This is Cricut's Midnight Joy Mystery Box, which I think is a good name because in a couple days we will all have joy at midnight because it's a new year. And the cutie in this box's name, I don't know. This is another one of those, like, I don't know what this is going to be color. The name is Dream. So let's take a look. Does it? Hold on. Am I crazy here? Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to give you a peek inside the box. So this is what I see, right? And it just looks, but hold on, wait. I don't know if you can see, but when I'm looking down on it, I'm like, I'm seeing red, but then I'm seeing a little like purple by the eyes. And I'm like, am I crazy? Am I crazy? I was not crazy. It's not crazy. Gosh, I am like a 5-year-old, guys. This is, oh, look. I can't even get it in the camera. Go over here. Okay, we'll go over here. Look at the cutie. It is, which is so cool. So cool. It goes blue to purple to this, I'd say wine, like a wine color. That's so pretty. It reminded me of Melody's Tesla, that like color shifts because it goes to the, look at that. That is so stinking pretty. I'm so excited for this cutie, guys, in case you can't tell. Like, clearly. I'm clearly very excited about this cutie. Now, the only other cutie, obviously, there's no cutie that looks like him, so there's no reason to compare. But the only other cutie that is ombre that we got was Sunset Cutie. Which Sunset went from like a sunset, red to orange to yellow, but we have a new ombre cutie. And because we have our cutie, this box is Cricut Access member exclusive only, so you do have to be Access to purchase. But links are in the video description below. You can go ahead and purchase it, and you can go ahead and join Access. So you can join Access, and then you can purchase it, and then you'll save on all your purchases too, and all sorts of stuff. Okay, so that's very exciting. I think this box will sell out soon because of this cutie, so if you want, go ahead, go buy the box, and then come back. Now, this is a joy themed box, but everything in here you can use regardless if you have a joy or not. So let's go ahead and get into what's all in this box. As you can tell, I'm still super excited. Yeah, that dream cutie, it's like a galaxy. Okay, so if you've seen the last mystery box, we are also getting something we got in there, which is awesome. We are getting 2 of these Cricut stackable coffee mugs. These are 4 10-ounce mugs. Now you can do these individually, or you can go ahead and do them as a group, and they all stack. And all the mugs are infusible ink compatible, so you can use infusible ink on them, or you can just use vinyl on them. And you don't need a heat press for vinyl. Or you can do the different seasons, where you can do a stack of mugs for the different seasons too. And we're going to start off with some teal vinyl. So this is Cricut Joy Teal Permanent Vinyl in the Smart Vinyl. So if you have a Cricut Joy, you can go ahead and just use this matless and put it in your machine. But if you don't have a Joy, you can still totally use it. You're just going to go ahead and put it on a mat and then cut it. So any of the smart materials I show, you can go ahead and use on everything with a mat. Unless you have the Joy, then you can use a matless. So we got the teal. We are getting the beautiful mint, which I always say is close to like Tiffany blue. Very pretty. Ooh, and very pretty with that color would also be the pretty tulip. So this is a soft pink color. And all of these are 5.5 by 48 inches long. But I think you can put these together. That would be beautiful for like a spring Easter mugs or project. And then we're going to get tomato red. So a great bright red. I think Valentine's. Ooh, also Valentine's. These 2 colors together. Perfect Valentine's Day colors. And then we are going to get some pretty gold also in the smart vinyl. And then we are going to get a big box of black. So this is going to be 5.5 inches by 20 feet long. Again, it's smart materials, so matless for your Joy, and then just throw in a mat for the rest of them. But that is a lot of vinyl there to go ahead and put on those mugs. And then to transfer the vinyl, you will use transfer tape. So we are getting 5.5 inches by 10 feet of the Cricut Joy size transfer tape. And I mentioned this last box too. I love this size of transfer tape for doing the mugs because you don't have to cut it down because it's like the perfect height. So you can go ahead and put your vinyl on here, transfer on the mug, and then don't forget, you can reuse that transfer tape. So it's not just one use only. Go ahead, save it, and you can transfer again with it. Is that everything? I think so. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Midnight Joy mystery box. And the price of the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian. But it's not, because Access members save with every purchase at Cricut.com. So you get your Access discount too. Oh, another thing I want to mention, because we're coming up, there's only a couple days left of the year. Access members, you get your quarterly code, which that code gives you $10 off plus free shipping. And that code expires December, well, it expires when the clock strikes midnight, going into the new year. And there's still fabulous sales going on. So you can go ahead and combine that coupon with the great sales. There are links below to go ahead and shop the sale too, but do not let your Access quarterly code expire without using it, because it's just $10 free. And we all like free dollars, especially after Christmas. We can all use that. Also in the links below is our giveaway, which our giveaway also goes until the clock strikes midnight of the new year. But for that giveaway, we are giving away $125 to spend at Cricut.com. So make sure you enter that in our Cricut Design Space Facebook groups. I know everybody likes to make resolutions. I always said years ago, I said my resolution that I'm never going to break is I'm not going to make a resolution. It's pretty easy not to break that one. But I do like to come up with something new I want to do. So let's, in the comments below, let's talk crafting resolutions. What is something you want to accomplish this year crafting wise? Maybe it's a project you've never tried before, but you've watched. I know I have several of those, right? Watch the videos, save the videos. I'm like, that's cool. I want to try that. So definitely every year I like to try some new things or play with materials and stuff in ways that I haven't. So comment below, what is something you want to try that you have not tried, or something you want to master? Maybe you tried it once and you loved it and you just really want to dive in. So in the comments below, let me know what that is. And as we close out a year, we just want to thank you all so much for being a part of our crafty 2025. We are so blessed and grateful to have such great crafty friends in our group from literally around the world, which I think that is pretty darn special. So I'm wishing you guys a crafty, fabulous, happy, healthy, just love and joy-filled 2026, guys. Let's make this a great year. So thank you guys, and I guess I'll see you next year. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!